Welcome to our YouTube video series on financial modeling. In this part, we will lay the foundation by introducing you to the world of financial modeling. We will discuss what financial modeling is, its importance, and the various applications it has in today's business world. So let's get started. What is financial modeling? At its core, financial modeling is the process of creating a mathematical representation of a real-life financial situation. It involves building a structured framework that helps us analyze and make informed decisions about a company's financial performance, investments, and future projects. Financial models are built using historical data, assumptions, and various mathematical and statistical techniques. These models allow us to simulate and project different scenarios to understand how changes in variables or market conditions can impact a company's financial health. Now, you might be wondering, why is financial modeling important? Well, financial modeling serves as a powerful tool for decision making, risk assessment, and strategic planning. It helps businesses, individuals make informed decisions and informed choices by quantifying the potential outcome of different scenarios. Financial modeling finds its application across various domains. For instance, investment analysts use financial models to evaluate potential investments, assess risks, and estimate returns. Entrepreneurs and managers rely on financial models to plan budgets, forecast revenues, and determine the financial feasibility of their ventures. Even in personal finance, individuals use financial models to plan for retirement, evaluate mortgages, options, and make investment decisions. Throughout this video series, we will cover a wide range of topics related to financial modeling. We will start from the basics and gradually progress more advanced techniques. You can expect to learn how to create accurate financial projections, build robust models in Excel or Google Sheet, perform sensitivity analysis, and much more. In the upcoming episodes, we will dive deep into understanding financial statements, mastering Excel skills for financial modeling, projecting revenues and expenses, analyzing cash flow, and performing valuations on different methods, and exploring advanced modeling techniques. We will also discuss real-world case studies, provide practical insights into how financial modeling is applied. Whether you are a student, an aspiring finance professional, a business owner, or simply interested in understanding financial concepts better, this video series will help you equip with the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in financial modeling. So get ready to embark on this exciting journey of financial modeling with us. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's dive into the world of financial modeling together.